I think about you every day and
Welcome to
night.
Kuala Lumpur, the capital city of Malaysia, home to significant Malay, Chinese, and Indian communities. Located below Thailand, above Singapore, and beside Indonesia, by airplane you arrive to Kuala Lumpur International Airport KUL at level 1 door 5. You can order a ride using the phone app called Grab, similar to Uber. In this video, I'll cover 4 excellent areas to stay or explore as a first-time visitor to Kuala Lumpur. First, Chow Kit. I stayed at Regalia, has an awesome convenience store, Bila Mart. Chow Kit has a lively vibe. The row has traditional markets, shopping malls, cafes, bars, music venues, and a huge Sikh temple called Tat Khalsa Diwan. I stayed in Chow Kit because there was an affordable hostel called Penthouse on 34 for a daily rate of $15 USD with access to a swimming pool. At the time, I prioritized price and a swimming pool where I can work out. The hostel for me has much to be desired. However, here you can enjoy a lower accommodation price and high convenience. Right beside Regalia Suites was Sunway Putra Mall, also located in Chow Kit. Here you can get cash, SIM card and data for your phone, and food. There's 2 major food courts in the basement and the top floor. I preferred eating at the top floor. In the basement floor, there's ATMs from CIMB and Maybank, where you can withdraw cash, Malaysian ringgits. You can try Malaysian drinks at Bungkus Kakao, Teh Tarik for tea, Milo for chocolate, and Kopi is coffee. I enjoyed the pizza buns at Bread History, which costed 5 Malaysian ringgits or $1 USD. They sell a variety of pastries and breads, including different flavored donuts. From sweet to savory and hot to cold, this bakery will satisfy your cravings for pastries and breads. At Onde restaurant, you can get a rich and aromatic bowl of seafood laksa noodle soup for 16 Malaysian ringgits or $3.50 USD. On the top floor, you can also get really good curry laksa at Cheng Laksa. It's about 13 Malaysian ringgits or $2.90 USD a bowl. They have smaller bowl options for a lesser price. I also got a nice fried chicken snack here. One of my favorites was Simply Chicken. I loved Combo Set 1 for 20 Malaysian ringgits or $4 USD, having roast chicken, rice, dumplings, leafy vegetables, hot soup, and cold chrysanthemum tea. Bukit Bintang, the city's shopping and entertainment hub, home to upscale malls such as Lot 10 Pavilion, with nightlife restaurants such as Jln Alor Street, a red light district, convenient access to public transport, and walking distance to Petronas Twin Towers. Price for accommodation here is high, but you will be at the center of the action. Lot 10 Hutong Food Court, located in the basement floor, similar to hawker centers in Singapore. My favorite shop was Roast Ducking, where you can get roast duck with egg noodles for 19 Malaysian ringgits or $4 USD. On the top floor of Lot 10 Mall is a dedicated space to Japanese cuisine called JK's Dining, with over 17 different restaurants featuring ramen shops, Japanese barbecue, hot pot, rice dishes, udon, soba, and matcha desserts. Walking along Jalan Bukit Bintang, you'll find Pavilion Kuala Lumpur Mall and surrounding luxury hotels. You can get a nice room here for between $50 to $100 USD per night, with swimming pools and gyms included in the hotel. If you stay on a higher floor, you can enjoy a beautiful view of Petronas Twin Towers from this area. It is very lively in front of Starhill Square and the Pavilion Crystal Fountain. The central attraction in this area is the Pavilion Kuala Lumpur Mall itself. It has luxurious architecture and a wide range of high-end retail outlets. It's a popular destination for locals and tourists. The mall houses various international and local brands offering a diverse selection of fashion, electronics, beauty products, and more. The top floor has a dedicated space to Japanese cuisine and culture called Tokyo Street, where there's Japanese restaurants, art stores, snack and souvenir shops. Adjacent to the mall is Pavilion Elite, an outdoor extension of the mall that further expands shopping and dining choices. There's numerous dining options ranging from casual cafes such as Starbucks, Gongcha, to fine dining restaurants offering various cuisines. The mall occasionally hosts entertainment events, large-scale promotions and exhibitions, fashion shows, festive celebrations such as KL Fashion Week and Waku Waku Japan Festival. The Pavilion Mall is also well connected to public transportation, including the Bukit Bintang monorail and MRT stations, making it easily accessible for both locals and tourists, as well as going outbound to explore other areas of the city. The center is linked to Kuala Lumpur Convention Center and Suria KLCC via an elevated pedestrian walkway about a 15 to 20 minute walk.
Head northwest.
In the heart of Bukit Bintang district, west of Bukit Bintang crossing, you can find Jln Alor Street, a lively and famous street known for sidewalk restaurants with a vibrant and diverse food scene. The street comes alive in the evenings, most lively between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m., with numerous food stalls and open-air restaurants lying on both sides of the street, offering a wide variety of local and international cuisines, including Malaysian, Chinese, Thai, Vietnamese, and other Asian cuisines. Notable dishes include grilled seafood, buttered prawns, noodle and satay-style dishes. Jln Alor has a night market vibe with brightly lit signs, colorful banners, and a constant buzz of activity. KLCC, Kuala Lumpur City Centre. You will benefit being close to Suria KLCC and KLCC Park. Hotels in this area are usually 4 to 5-star hotels, usually $100 USD per night and higher, for a high quality and luxurious experience. Dining options in this area range from stylish bistros to elegant rooftop bars. Suria KLCC is a 6-story shopping mall located at the foot of Petronas Twin Towers, the world's tallest twin skyscrapers. Suria KLCC provides a comprehensive shopping experience. The mall includes an art gallery, an underwater aquarium, and a science discovery center, a cinema, and a concert hall. KLCC Park is right outside of Suria KLCC and free for the public. It is home to the Lake Symphony Light and Sound. The water fountains are beautifully illuminated in the evenings, synchronized with music. The water fountain showtimes are at 8 p.m., 9 p.m., and 10 p.m. daily. The park also features a children's playground, a public and wading pool, botanical gardens, well-paved walking and biking paths, a jogging track covered with special rubber. Last, I'll briefly discuss Chinatown. I actually skipped exploring this area myself. However, from surveying others and the internet, Chinatown is centered on Petaling Street. It's a vibrant area with a lively cultural atmosphere. It features street markets, temples, and diverse food options with budget-friendly accommodations. You choose to stay here if you enjoy exploring food and dry markets, selling produce, clothes, and accessories at discounted prices, visiting Taoist and Hindu temples, and saving money on accommodation. Batu Caves is free to visit. The grab ride here was approximately $4 USD and took about 20 minutes from Chow Kit. The caves are considered one of the most important Hindu shrines outside of India and is dedicated to Murugan, the Hindu god of war, regarded as the god of the Tamil people. I recommend going here between 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. to beat the crowds in the sun. The activity takes approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour.